breakdown. All right, we have already done the forecast for this year, last year. We have done it, okay? And what I would love to say is we have been bagging a lot. Look at over 2,000 people caught on boom 1,000. That's over 2,000 plus people there. I told you guys, as far as it has done that, if you don't know what I'm saying, go back, watch the previous market breakdown video on this channel, and you will know that we have seen this peep into the future. All right, so if you know you back that, ensure to send your results, so it will make me happy and do more and bring more analysis to you guys. So I would love to tell you 3 things, okay, that would benefit you with my weekly breakdown. 3 things, okay, 3 things as a trader and as anyone watching this. You have to know that this is not a get rich quick scheme, okay? Eliminate that thought. All right, eliminate that thought. We're not here to get rich quick, because most people, I've told you now, there are still people that won't make profits from any analysis, even their own analysis. Even if Elon Musk tell them to do this, they won't do. Even if they give them the biggest account, they won't still make profits. This is the fact that you want to get rich quick and you are in a haste. Take a chill pill, all right? There's over trillion in the market. There's trillions in this market. So take a chill pill, all right? Second thing is you need the technical analysis knowledge, all right? No matter what you do, no matter how I analyze the market, the knowledge is mine, all right? All you guys in the private group, I've taught you the technical analysis. You have equipped knowledge, you have materials and everything that will help you. Until you get technical analysis right, okay, you keep on losing. Until you get technical analysis right, everything will be wrong for you. That's the basic truth. And lastly here is you have to know your candlestick and candlestick chart patterns, okay? Candlesticks and chart patterns. You have to know that. You have to. So with that done and said, I'll be moving over to the chart so we can start this. Okay, so right now, I don't really know if this was the previous analysis we did, because I'm still banking on some analysis. You understand? We have analyzed pips into the future. So this is boom 500. This is boom 500, believers. And if you can see, gave us a double top here. I'm already in this market. Those on the VIP Signal group are in this market. I believe, if not all, some of the students in my private group, they are in this market. The goal is we know the bigger picture, we know the direction. So when you scale down to your lower time frame, whatsoever time frame you are on, trade in that direction, okay? And we're looking at this market to move over 200 plus peak, okay? It has covered over 100 from here we go in, and right now we're expecting it to break here. So once it gets here, close below here, it's going to ride some more peep. Remember, it's on the downtrend. It's on the downside. We did this analysis before. You can go back and look at the video. If it's not this boom 500 particularly, yeah, I mistakenly closed the chart, then I had to redo it for you guys. So this is actually a fresh analysis from this year. Well, boom 1,000, boom 1,000, boom 1,000. I told you guys this market is over 2,000 pips. We started selling from all the way here. You can see I have not deleted most of this. I have not deleted that. You can see how we have started selling from all year. Is going all the way to this other zone. Market move from zones to zones, guys. There's one here also. There's currently, I think there's one here. There's one here. Okay. So market do move from zone to zone. So bank on this. Bank on this. This market is all the way here until you see a bullish candle that's showing you is going upward. We're still going to be riding it down throughout this year. I told you this market is on the downside. So bank on it. Bank on it, guys. Bank on it. All right. Moving on to the next one, let's look at Boom 300. Okay, Boom 300 broke out from this zone. I was expecting it to close all the way up, but it broke out from this zone. This is still the analysis we did in the previous video, so go back there. I have not changed this one. You can watch how we did it. Okay, it's simple and easy. You just have to be patient, wait for your setup, wait for everything, your criteria to be met. All right, if you don't know how to analyze, you are still finding it difficult in analysis, get the technical analysis solution. And if you are a beginner, you know nothing at all, trust me, you need to get the basic intermediate knowledge. Just get the synthetic indices solution. All right, with that done and said, this market is still on the downside. You can see everything is doing is still on the principle of the lower highs and lower low. Okay, the lower highs, lower low for the downtrend. That is the principle of a downtrend. No matter what the market does, it's still going to keep on creating lower lows and lower highs. So bank on this, guys. Bank, scale down to your lower time frame, get this set up, wait, be patient, and bank on them. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have crash 500. Okay, crap 500, crash 500. Okay, all right, so real quick, crash 500 right here is on the overall lowest low. All right, right now we're getting a bullish engulfing candle, but the market hasn't really closed. You can see we banked on this. I ate this market personally from all the way from this up to the downside. But right now, if we look closely, this market is currently at a previous lower high. It's currently at the previous lower high that got it here. So we just have to be patient. But if it gives this engulfing, there's a probability it's going to go up. So right now, I'm on the waiting side. The market has to give you a setup. It has to meet your criteria, okay? So ensure to be patient and get your setup. This market is still on the downside. The overall trend is the downtrend. It's on the downtrend, and still we still have bearish momentum. So whatever you do, you go on the downside. But for me, I'm waiting to see what this market has to reveal, because if we look closely, this market is not going with that much momentum again. It's just within there. Throughout today, it bought, but it's within this region. So I'm literally waiting. All right. Next up is crash 300. This market has been going AWOL to the downside. And just a minute, I would love to know if you all have been seeing this, like real quick on the chat box. If you have been seeing this, every single market, 9 out of 10, if not all of them, are on the downside. If you can see it, I see it on the chat box real quick. If you can see, tell me and let me know on the chat box that I see it. Real quick, guys. I'm also going to put that on the chat box. I see it. Let me get that energy, guys. Let me get it. All right. I love the energy. So we all see the market have momentum moves to the downside. So whatever you are doing, you are looking for sale. But now we are seeing the market is at the lowest low possible, okay? At the lowest low possible, it broke here. Remember, you get a bullish momentum. This market, I'm still waiting due to the fact that when I got to the daily, I'm seeing series of shabby candle. We're looking for power moves, okay? This market is at the lowest low possible. It's not going down again. So I'm literally not trading on this right now. I'm looking for it to create a setup for me, okay? Remember, you are not playing. You are using your phone. So it's not by forcing this market. Move to the next one, get a setup that you know 80 out of 100, 90 out of 100. If it goes your direction, you are bagging nothing less than 100 pip. Those are the market you are supposed to be trading, because that's how I flip nothing to something. That's how we believers flip nothing to something. So bank on this, guys. Bank on this. Crash 1000 right now, we're getting momentum to the upside. I literally got in this market around here. I'm still in the market though, but I'm looking forward to getting out here. But if it closes above here, I'm buying it to here, then I will wait because that was the previous lower low before it came down here to create this. So we're getting bullish momentum. Remember, when you are going against the trend, you have to be as careful as possible, because this market, the overall trend is still on the downside. Every time frame, you can see momentum. So when you are using the lower time frame, ensure to know that, all right, you have to get what this market can give you and wait, okay? So I just told you what I'm waiting for. This market, when it gets to around this zone, or it breaks this trend, okay? This trend on the upside, okay? If you see it's respecting it, when it got all the way here, I took out 50% of my position, SL below, and I'm looking at it to continue to the upside due to the fact that I'm seeing this momentum move, I'm seeing this power move, but we're not neglecting here. So right now, you have to wait. Let it close above here, give you a possible setup to buy, And today I'm going to be showing you two other markets that I've analyzed, and I also dropped it for the private group members, okay? I dropped it for them due to the fact that this market they are going to be doing crazy move this year also, okay? So on this VIX 10, I saw a shoulder pattern, and look at it. We're expecting it to go all the way here. It broke out. If you are in the private group, you are supposed to be bagging this already. Lower high engulfing criteria are being met. You know your chart patterns, you know your candlestick pattern. You sit down and wait for the possible setup, the best possible setup for you to risk. I'm not trying to tell you you are not going to risk your fund, but you are looking for the best that you can risk your fund on, okay? And lastly, this is VIX 50, all right? I'm anticipating this market this month, although I'm still on the hold on this market, but I ate it a little bit while it was in here due to this trend I have. This market has been consolidating massively, but we shouldn't neglect the fact that it's on the downside. Okay, if you notice, forget it's doing a series of lower lows, but it's doing equal highs. So the fact that it's not breaking here, and this is first touch, second touch, this is the third, you can see the engulfing power move right here. This is looking like something like a double top, but let's just say you can see the powerful move engulfing candle. This is following, and you can already see the power moves. You can see the momentum to the downside. So bank on this, guys. Once it closes below here, you bank on it, because market move from zones to zones. So if you want to know how I do the analysis, how we believers do the analysis, get the synthetic indices solution course. You're already an intermediate. You want to just take your analysis to the next level. I have a package called the technical analysis solution just for you. So run it up for yourself. See you next week, same time.